Hello everyone, welcome to my Calm Movement YouTube channel. Today let's discuss on Holter monitor and its function. What is the Holter monitor? A Holter monitor is a wearable ECG machine that captures the heart's electrical signals for 24 hours to 48 hours. It assists in the detection of heart arrhythmias and other rhythm issues which are not readily apparent during a standard EKG. The monitor is small enough to be worn on a strap or belt, and the electrodes which capture the heart signals are placed on the chest. How does the Holter monitor become effective? Portable EKG, electrocardiogram. Imagine it as a portable EKG that lets doctors monitor your heart's rhythm while you are engaged with your day to day activities. Continuous monitoring. For a longer duration, usually 24 hours to 48 hours, the Holter monitor monitors your heart's rhythm than a standard EKG, which simply takes a picture. Detecting problems. It's used to identify or detect arrhythmias or problem with the heart's rhythm that would not be visible on a routine EKG. Non-invasive. The device can be placed comfortably on the body, and the entire process is painless and non-invasive. Helpful for doctors. It enables medical professionals to examine how your heart reacts to routine activities, prescribe medications, and even sleep. What does Holter monitor perform? Records heart rhythms, records everyday activities, and also monitors symptoms. What is the purpose of wearing one? Identifying arrhythmias. The Holter monitor can help identify the source of palpitations, skip beats, dizziness, or fainting occurrences. Monitoring heart health. It can additionally be utilized for other medical purposes, such as monitoring heart function after surgery. Assessing pacemakers. The Holter monitor can assist in assessing the functionality of your pacemaker.